Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 19th May 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 12 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. Who has topped the list of Forbes World's Highest Paid Athletes 2024?
Answer is Cristiano Ronaldo. On 16th May 2024, Forbes released the list of world's highest paid athletes 2024 featuring top 50 highest paid athletes. Soccer player Cristiano Ronaldo, Portugal, topped the list with a total earnings of $260 million. Spanish golfer Jon Rahm stands second with a total earning of $218 million and Argentine soccer player Lionel Messi stands third with $135 million.
Question number 2. Who has become the first country to lose all glaciers?
Answer is Venezuela. Venezuela is the first modern country to lose all of its glaciers, which is a huge change in the environment. Venezuela had been home to 6 glaciers in the Sierra Nevada de Merida mountain range. As of 2011, 5 of these glaciers had melted away, leaving only the Humboldt Glacier. New research shows that the Humboldt Glacier in the Andes, which used to be very big, has shrunk to less than 2 hectares, which means it is no longer a glacier but an ice field.
Question number 3. Who has won the Dubai Police Chess Challenge 2024?
Answer is Pranab Venkatesh. Dubai Police Global Chess Challenge was a new event started and hosted by Dubai Police from 4th to 12th May. Indian players securing the top 4 positions in the Masters category. Pranab Venkatesh emerged as the tournament champion, while Arvind Chidambaram secured the runner-up position.
Question number 4. Which state team won the 28th Senior Women's National Football Championship for Rajmata Jijabai Trophy?
Answer is Manipur. Manipur defeated Haryana 2-0 in the final of the 28th Senior Women's National Football Championship for Rajmata Jijabai Trophy to clinch their 22nd title at the Kishore Bharati Kridangan in Kolkata. Best goalkeeper of the championship is Shreya Hooda, Haryana. Top goal scorer of the championship is Nagangom Bala Devi, Manipur, and Yumnam Kamla Devi, Manipur. Player of the championship is Nagangom Bala Devi, Manipur.
Question number 5. Which space agency was honored with the Geospatial World Leadership Award 2024?
Answer is InSpace. Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Centre, InSpace, under the Department of Space, DOS, has won the Geospatial World Leadership Award 2024 under Enabling Public Policy category. Geospatial World Leadership Award was presented during the Geospatial World Forum, GWF, 2024 held in Rotterdam, the Netherlands on 14th May 2024.
Question number 6. Who has been elected as the President of Supreme Court Bar Association, SCBA?
Answer is Kapil Sibal. Kapil Sibal, Senior Advocate and former Union Minister of Law and Justice, has been elected as the President of Supreme Court Bar Association, SCBA, for the 4th time. Kapil Sibal would take over from the incumbent, Senior Advocate Adish C. Agarwala. Rachna Srivastava, Senior Advocate, has been elected as the Vice President of Supreme Court Bar Association, SCBA.
Question number 7. Who has been appointed as PM Designate of the Republic of Croatia?
Answer is Andrej Plenković. On 17 May 2024, Andrej Plenković, incumbent Croatian Prime Minister and President of the Croatian Democratic Union Party, has been appointed as PM-designate of the Republic of Croatia for third consecutive term. He has been serving as the Prime Minister of Croatia since 19 October 2016. He started his career as diplomat in Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Croatia in 1994.
Question number 8. Which company has become the third unicorn in 2024?
Answer is Porter. Homegrown logistics services platform, Porter, has become the third unicorn, with a valuation of $1 billion and above, in India this year. Earlier this year, 2024, fintech firm, Perfios, and Ola's AI venture, Kritran, had turned unicorns. As per Traxon, there were 113 unicorns in India as of earlier this month.
Question number 9. Which country has launched a 10-year blue residency visa for environmental champions?
Answer is UAE, United Arab Emirates. The United Arab Emirates has launched a 10-year blue residency visa for individuals who have made exceptional efforts and contributions to protecting the environment, whether marine or land. The 10-year blue residency visa aims to attract and retain global leaders in environmental research, activism, and technological solutions.
Question number 10. Who has signed a deal with the Athletics Federation of India for official kit sponsor?
Answer is Puma. Puma India signed a deal with the Athletics Federation of India, AFI, to become its official kit sponsor. Puma signed a multi-year deal to exclusively supply performance kits, speed suits and travel gear to every athlete under Athletics Federation of India, AFI, representing India in track and field, jumps, throws, cross-country running and marathons at both domestic and international tournaments. Currently, Puma is working with 17 federations across the worldwide, including Brazil, New Zealand, Portugal.
Question number 11. Who has bagged gold at 200-meter sprint event in the Federation Cup 2024?
Answer is Animesh Kujur. 20-year-old Animesh Kujur bagged 200-meter gold at the Federation Cup in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Kujur has scorched the track by clocking an impressive 20.62 seconds to win the 200 meters gold. The performance also makes him the second fastest Indian in the mains 200m behind national record holder Amlan Borgohain, who clocked 20.52s 2 years ago.
Question number 12. India's internet economy is projected to hit $1 trillion by which year?
Answer is 2030. India's internet economy is poised for significant growth, with industry experts predicting it will reach $1 trillion by 2030. This surge is primarily driven by the e-commerce sector, which is expected to grow at an annual rate of 25%, from $60 billion in FY 2023 to $325 billion, making it the third largest globally. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.